This being gold country, there's all kinds of this kind of stuff that you find at random. It falls under leave no trace of leave what you find, and that includes artifacts. I'll leave that here for the next person to find. Number 4, leave what you find, except for trash. However, if that trash is over 50 years old, then it's considered an archaeological relic. I can't remember the exact verbiage. I'll put it across here, but you're not allowed to take that out, actually. Now, if you see relics of the past, including petroglyphs, arrowheads, anything like that, you need to leave it there. Remnants of railroads being built, any kind of an old dwelling or a petroglyph, even rock piles. And stay on trails to avoid accidentally trampling any kind of buried artifacts. Leave plants and animals alone, of course. Don't feed any animals. Don't take any wood that an animal might use for a shade or a shelter. Don't take antlers that an animal might be chewing on for the nutrients. Avoid spreading any kind of invasive species or diseases, and that includes keeping any animals that you have vaccinated. That includes cleaning your car tires and your own footwear. Even just brushing them off makes a big difference.